Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
I've just got the brand new Huawei Nova 15 Pro in my hands, so let's open the box together and see what it's all about. The Nova 15 Pro comes with Kunlun Glass on the front, which means the display gets extra protection. The unit we received is the 0-degree white color. I'll set the phone aside for a moment and start with what's inside the box. You get a clear hard plastic protective case as standard. Underneath that, there's the charging brick and data cable, and yes, it includes a powerful 100-watt fast charger. As a stylish and trend-focused smartphone aimed at younger users, the Huawei Nova 15 Pro really stands out in terms of design. The back panel is instantly recognizable with its striped pattern, yet it still feels smooth and seamless when you touch it, almost like a single clean surface. The phone is impressively slim and lightweight, tipping the scales at just 202 grams and measuring only 6.9 millimeters thick, which makes it very comfortable to hold and use. Even with such a slim body, Huawei has packed in a massive 6,500 mAh battery paired with 100-watt fast charging, so you get both long battery life and quick top-ups. To enhance durability, the Nova 15 Pro adopts the same starry sky structure used in Huawei's Auto series. It features an aerospace-grade metal frame that offers strong resistance against bending and pressure. On top of that, the Kunlun Glass we mentioned earlier gives the phone excellent protection against scratches and everyday wear. On the front, there's a large 6.84-inch display that can reach up to 4,000 nits of brightness and supports a 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate for smooth visuals and efficient power use. When it comes to cameras, the Nova 15 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a flagship-level red peak primary color lens, along with a 50-megapixel RYYB ultra-sensing main camera with image stabilization. There's also a 12-megapixel RYB telephoto portrait lens with stabilization and a 13-megapixel RYB ultra-wide macro lens, giving you plenty of shooting options. For selfie lovers, especially younger users, Huawei has added a front-facing red peak primary color lens and a 50-megapixel ultra-focus portrait camera, delivering sharp, natural, and accurate self-portraits. Under the hood, the Huawei Nova 15 Pro is powered by the Kirin 9010's processor and comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth and responsive performance in daily use. That wraps up today's unboxing experience. I'll be uploading a detailed review very soon, so make sure to stay connected with the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.